Good day, my brothers and sisters. This coming week, and the 23rd to be precise, we will be having our normal Day of Atonement. Now, the Day of Atonement is the day of real reparation and confession. And I just want to remind you, my friends, that actually confession, preparing for Easter, is actually a liturgical obligation, and it carries a great indulgence. And that is why we expect all of you, everyone, to participate in this wonderful Day of Atonement. Just like we do always, this year we are inviting many priests from other parishes to come and be with us. But what is unique this year, though, is that we are going to begin this Day of Atonement with a penitential service. And what that means is a liturgical ritual given to us by the church that prepares the penitents to be in the right mood to have their sins forgiven. So on the 23rd, being Thursday, our morning mass is going to be 8 o'clock. At 8:30, we will have the penitential service. And at 9 o'clock, confessions will begin. Even if you intend to come to confession in the evening, please try to attend the penitential service. It's really going to help you to put yourself in the right mood. A week after that, we will commence the parish Lenten retreat or revival. Again, we've chosen the theme, if my people who are called by my name should repent and come to me, I will forgive their sins and heal their land. These are intensive teachings and preaching that will help us to be in the right mood. Who would want to miss these occasions? Please prepare yourself for that. I am looking forward to it. I know that by the grace of God, we will have a beautiful Easter ahead. Looking forward to seeing you. God bless you. Thank you.